Alright guys, hey, kind of an unusual video here. I'm at the Oaklawn Cemetery in downtown Tulsa. I'm doing this video just to kind of document what's going on. They have this whole place locked down. You can't get in, which I find kind of odd because it's a very big cemetery, and I can't imagine closing down a cemetery for a long period of time. Anyway, I'm already rambling. So the topic here is the Greenwood riots that happened in Tulsa in like 1921. And I don't know in-depth details on this. All I know is they're digging up this cemetery and they're trying to find bodies, identify bodies. I'm really not, 100% sure on the whole. But they obviously don't want people in here, because I walked all over this place trying to get in and I couldn't. So I just thought I'd document this for you guys as kind of a historical event that's happening. Let's see if I can get a better view from up here. Again, I don't know all the details. I don't know how they're identifying people or what methodology they're using, but they've dug up quite a bit, and these you can see these like portable office buildings. They're obviously planning on being here for a long time. I guess I can walk over to the other side too. You gotta keep in mind, this is over 100 years ago. Oh yeah, so I'm in downtown Tulsa. Basically, the Greenwood district is just 2-3 miles from here, basically, and it's kind of that way. So this graveyard is not physically far from where the riots happened. Again, I don't know detailed history. I know it was a big deal. It went down. I don't know what started it. I don't know what ended it. I don't really have details. I'm sure there's many people that have done thorough documentaries on the topic. I'm just interested in this particular situation here, just kind of documenting what's been going on here in terms of the actual excavation. So this, I hear this air conditioner going on, so it's definitely actively being used. I mean, this is something that happened over 100 years ago, so it's kind of, what are you gonna find? What questions are they trying to answer? I don't really know. Or what made them dig here in the first place. But yeah, Greenwood is basically exactly in the direction that I'm pointing. It's about 3 miles that way, 2-3 miles. It's basically walking distance from here. Anyway, it's interesting. It's definitely a big task that they're doing. I wish I would have brought one of those like selfie sticks with me, maybe giving me a better view, but I really thought I could get in to the you know, the other side of this graveyard and then just walk in. I mean, the whole thing is closed to everybody. Pretty gruesome job. I wouldn't want to do it, that's for certain. This cemetery was also used in Weird Al's movie 1984. This was one of the commercials that they did. Plots Are Us. They did part of the filming in here. All right, see you later.